Welcome to your 2025 summer travel itinerary, Paris to Provence. A family bonding experience, day 1 to 4 Paris family fun in the City of Lights. Stay at Le Bristol Paris, a virtuoso hotel with family-friendly suites. Enjoy a private tour of the Louvre, tailored for kids with interactive storytelling. Take a Parisian cooking class for the whole family. Day 5 to 7 Provence, rustic charm and lavender fields. Transfer to Provence, staying at Hotel Crillon Le Brave, a virtuoso countryside retreat. Explore lavender fields with a private photographer capturing family moments. Embark on a guided cycling tour of nearby villages with wine tasting stops for the adults. Day 8 to 10 French Riviera seaside glamour. Stay at Grand Hotel du Cap Ferrat, overlooking the Mediterranean. Spend a day aboard a private yacht exploring coastal gems like St. Tropez. Wrap up your journey with a family dinner under the stars at a renowned Riviera restaurant. Start planning now. Schedule your complimentary consultation call today